Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I go to the supermarket with my granddaughter. I go to the supermarket with my granddaughter. We walk down the street. We walk down the street. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. We look both ways to cross. We look both ways to cross. The supermarket is very large. The supermarket is very large. We see many cars outside. We see many cars outside. I hold her hand tightly. I hold her hand tightly. The glass doors open. The glass doors open. It is cool inside. It is cool inside. We take a large shopping cart. We take a large shopping cart. We look at the map. We look at the map. I find the fruit section. I find the fruit section. Look at the fresh red apples. Look at the fresh red apples. We pick some sweet bananas. We pick some sweet bananas. Put the bag on the scale. Put the bag on the scale. I find the cereal aisle. I find the cereal aisle. Choose a colorful box. Choose a colorful box. Do not touch the glass bottles. Do not touch the glass bottles. We walk past the juice. We walk past the juice. I see the milk fridge. I see the milk fridge. We choose some healthy milk. We choose some healthy milk. The carton feels cold. The carton feels cold. We need some fresh bread. We need some fresh bread. The bread smells very good. The bread smells very good. Put it in the cart. We look for some eggs. We look for some eggs. Be very careful with them. Be very careful with them. We check the smart tags. We check the smart tags. The price is on the screen. The price is on the screen. We have everything we need. We have everything we need. The machine makes a beep. The machine makes a beep. We scan the items one by one. We scan the items one by one. I pay with my card. I pay with my card. Use the eco-friendly bags. Use the eco-friendly bags. We walk to the exit. We walk to the exit. Thank you and goodbye. Thank you and goodbye. We walk out the door. We walk out the door. We walk back home. We walk back home. I carry the big bag. I carry the big bag. She carries the small one. She carries the small one. We reach our front gate. We reach our front gate. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. We wash our hands first. We wash our hands first. Put the milk in the fridge. Put the milk in the fridge. We put the apples in a bowl. We put the apples in a bowl. Everything is in its place. Everything is in its place. You were a great helper. You were a great helper. Now we rest together. Now we rest together.